So right now we are going to dish out our food. It is done, you can see that. So we're going to plate it.
What kind of soup is that?
Ukpo. Ukpo.
Yeah,
Ukpo soup. It is very delicious.
Yummy.
Yummy. I know you have never tried it before.
And it's African food.
It's African food. My daughter, she said it's African food. Of course, it's African food. If you've not tried it before, I'm sure you'll be tempted.
Skin.
Yeah, skin. That's called trip. The name is trip. No, you used to call it skin.
Skin is made of cow.
Jesus of Nazareth. Skin is made of cow. That is cow meat. It is cow, and you like it. That's your favorite meat, Okwele. Your favorite meat. Amara's favorite meat is skin.
I eat every
It's beef
kind
trip.
of,
You eat every kind of meat.
and every kind of soup.
And every kind of soup. You like soup a lot.
Because it's delicious.
Because it's delicious. So it just looks like this River State soup. The only thing is that we don't have a shrimp inside, but that is exactly what it looks like. And just look at it. So delicious, very simple. It doesn't need much too much ingredients for it to taste good. If you have not tried it before and you want to do so, please go to the comment section
And
description section. That is where I will explain everything. And if you have any question you want to ask, just leave your question in the comment section. I'll be there to answer it. So that is the end of the video today. Mama, do you have anything to say?
Yes.
Okay, say it.
Subscribe to our videos and we're coming more with new videos.
And we're coming up more with new exciting videos. So that is it. Ukpo soup. That is it for today. Our film just cut as soon as we are rounding up. So that is it. So but this is the outcome of our cooking, and I know and I'm sure it's something that you and